Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Honda Pilot sun visor. Many owners find their sun visor sagging or completely detached, which can be quite annoying and even unsafe. This problem usually stems from a worn-out internal plastic mechanism or a broken tensioner clip within the visor assembly itself. While some minor fixes might seem possible, replacing the entire sun visor unit is generally the most effective and lasting solution for this common issue. It ensures full functionality and restores safety. Before we begin, let's gather the necessary items. First, you'll need a brand new replacement sun visor assembly, specifically designed for your Honda Pilot. Next, grab a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool to avoid damaging your interior. Always ensure your vehicle is parked securely with the engine completely off. It's also a good idea to place a soft cloth over your dashboard to protect it from any accidental marks during the process. Now, let's get to the actual replacement. First, use your trim tool to carefully pry off the small plastic cover concealing the mounting screws. Next, insert a flathead screwdriver into the designated tab, depress it, and rotate the visor about 45 degrees to release it from its mount. Then, remove the 2 or 3 Phillips head screws. If your visor has a vanity light, gently disconnect its electrical connector. Finally, align the new visor assembly, reconnect any wiring, and secure it firmly with the screws. After installing the new sun visor, perform a few quick checks. Move the visor through its full range of motion, ensuring it pivots smoothly and stays firmly in any desired position. If your visor has a vanity light, confirm it illuminates properly. To help prevent future issues, always handle your sun visor gently. Avoid yanking or pushing it with excessive force. Using both hands when adjusting it can also help distribute pressure, significantly extending the life of your brand new visor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.